Hello, everyone. This week, we're going to learn about letter R. Yes, letter R for rabbit. Letter R makes the sound R. Let's see what other words start with letter R. Rabbit, robot, rhinoceros, rose, rainbow, ring, and rat. Now let's play a game. We have to listen carefully. If the word starts with letter R, we have to make a tick inside the box. Ready? Let's start.
Rabbit.
Does it start with letter R? Yes, you're right.
Tomato.
Does it start with letter R? No.
Rainy.
Does it start with letter R? Yes.
Robot.
Does it start with letter R? You are right.
Red.
It does start with letter R.
Pig.
Does pig start with letter R? No. You found them all. Good job, my friends. Wait for me next time to learn more letters. See you later, alligators.